It is really easy to wear a mask. It is really easy to not attend social gatherings. It's really easy to choose takeout instead of dining in. Please, please wear a mask, stay at home, and help us stop the spread of this virus.
That plea from South Carolina, where nearly 1,500 new cases of the coronavirus were reported just Monday, and doctors are sounding the alarms about hospital capacity. NBC News reporter Dasha Burns is at St. Francis Hospital in Greenville, South Carolina. Dasha, you spoke with the doctor today. What did he tell you?
Hi, Andrea. Greenville is the third most populous county in South Carolina, and as of this weekend, hospital occupancy was at 75%, and doctors here are telling me they are gravely concerned that if this trend continues, they could see their hospitals overrun, which would be an absolute nightmare for them. This hospital behind me here has seen a 100% increase in COVID hospitalizations over just the last 4 weeks, and I spoke with Dr. Blackstone, the chief clinical officer here, and he told me that this surge they're seeing is significantly worse than what they saw in the first wave. He says the patients they're seeing are younger, they are sicker, they are staying in ICUs for longer, and now medical staff are getting sick, not in the hospital, but in the community where the spread is so high. And Dr. Blackstone told me he's seeing some heartbreaking situations here. Take a listen to what he told me earlier. How often do your nurses, your doctors have to watch patients die?
Pretty regularly, unfortunately. You know, and especially in this round because they are sicker. But when you see young people die, when you see people that were exposed by somebody else, it wasn't because what they did and they die, that's tough to take.
Andrea, Dr. Blackstone emphasized to me that while we often talk about statistics and numbers, he and his staff are seeing the actual patients in that building behind me. They see the suffering day to day, suffering that he says could be prevented if people did simple things like wear a mask and keep their distance. Andrea?
Thank you, Dasha. And meanwhile, amid a debate over the safest way